Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoStory app. Very good settings. Here in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, as you see, you click on KakaoStory app. KakaoStory app. Here we go to first step and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.